Hello and welcome back to one of our videos from our series to get corporate ready in 14 days. Hands up who likes making small talk, trying to connect with strangers.
So you're a scientist?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I can't see many people, and that's because most of us can find it at least a bit uncomfortable starting a conversation from cold. Although it does get a bit easier, in some situations we all feel a bit like a plum. I'm not sure why I use the word plum to describe it, but I think it sums up what it feels like when you feel a bit awkward, like you don't fit in, a bit uncomfortable. Nobody wants to feel like a plum. So if you want to find out how to start conversations with new people, move these on to a position of rapport, common ground, then make sure you watch this video through to the end. Or to put it another way, if you don't want to feel like a plum in social situations, this video is for you. First things first, you need to recognize the body language of individuals and groups. The language that tells you that they're open to a newcomer joining them, or something that says, stay back. And let us know in the comments below if you'd like something on this topic and we can create a video that specifically covers this. So let's say that you've approached somebody, the introductions are over, what next? And this is what we call the can opener. And this is simply opening things up, see what's inside, get things started. And with this, you're trying to do two things. One, you're trying to find an opportunity for you to be curious and interested in the person. People love it when you show that genuine interest in them. And of course, you might learn something really valuable. Or secondly, you're looking to spot areas of common ground, things that you share, overlaps in social or business interests. So let's look at each of these. So the can opener might be something like,
So Madeline, tell me, what do you do?
I'm a scientist. I'm in the physics department at the university.
usually this starts to get things going, and you can follow up with questions of genuine curiosity, things like, what's involved in that? What kind of clients do you work with? Tell me a bit about how you got into that. You'll notice these are all open questions. A quick fire round of closed questions creates the machine gun effect of the person feeling a bit under fire.
So Madeline, do you work from home?
No.
Oh, so you work in an office. How many people work there?
About 12.
Do you take the bus there?
No.
And what's your boss's name?
Bill Ross.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes.
How many years have you worked there?
15.
What's your favourite colour?
So stick with the open questions. Sometimes these can openers work better than other times.
Tell me, Madeline, what do you do?
I'm a physicist. I work in liquid thermodynamics.
In this scenario, Jose can still show some genuine curiosity, but probably this line of questioning is going to be short-lived. There's not much of an overlap, not much in common in that line of questioning. So the next step is to try and find that common ground.
I hear a bit of an accent. Where are you from?
Yes, I have an accent because I'm from New Orleans.
Oh, nice.
But I live in Spain.
Oh, it's Spain. I'm from Spain myself. I'm from Madrid. Where are you based in Spain?
I'm in Granada. I'm a southern girl.
Beautiful.
So I stay in the south.
Nice. Beautiful city.
Yes, it is.
We've found a common ground where the conversation is going to flow much more easily, and there's an opportunity to really connect. Over the next few minutes, more and more of these common areas are going to appear, and with each one, you're creating a space in which you can connect with other people.
What do you think about capital punishment?
But make sure you stay on safe ground. Now you've shown the interest and curiosity, and you've found that common ground, it's your opportunity to create a deeper sense of rapport, and there's two ways that you can do this. Using humour, because laughing together, it creates harmony. But make sure the joke is about things like yourself, the situation or the circumstances, but never about other people. When you do this, it creates a dynamic where you feel good and the other person feels a bit small. People might not remember what you actually said, but they'll definitely remember how you made them feel. And people don't usually come back to someone who made them feel bad. If an opportunity comes up, do somebody a favor. And we mentioned the favor bank in our video on creating connections. Here it comes again. Doing something for somebody else where there is nothing to directly benefit you, it creates credit in the favor bank. And the laws of reciprocity mean that you'll likely receive some favor back at some point in the future. We're social animals. We help other people and other people help us. So if you meet somebody who's about to go on holiday to Thailand, offer to send them a list of your favorite restaurants in Bangkok. If they're looking to restructure a business, introduce them to a lawyer friend that you know. Another element of rapport is the non-verbal behavior. People often forget about how important this is. And if this is something you'd like more information on, write a comment below and we can create a video on the topic of body language and rapport. So connecting through conversations is about being curious, using inquiry to understand and demonstrate genuine interest. It's about finding common ground where the conversation flows easily and you guys kind of hit it off. Use open questions to pace the conversation and bring humor to create harmony in the relationship. Finally, remember to make a deposit in the favor bank for that reciprocity. So thanks for watching this video. Let us know if there's any areas that you'd like some more content on. We always love hearing from you guys, so comments, suggestions, post them below. And make sure that you subscribe to our channel. This will keep you up to date with our next videos because this is a quick, simple way to really transform your career. I'm not sure how that was. How was that? I feel like my facial expressions and stuff were a bit weird. And here it is again. Do you want me to go back and do this bit again?
No, it was okay.
Okay.
It's just when
I felt it was a bit crappy there.
Yeah.
The friend you know. I don't know if I did that very well. If there's an opportunity, do a favor. We mentioned the...